Okay, before we add the windows, porches, and roof, we actually want to assign the stone and the brick um, to their separate materials. And you'll see when we bring this into Unity, if we leave these all as individual blocks, which we can do, um, there's a little bit of a downside to that. Then that means you'll have to drag each brick material over each plane. And so in the end, if we join them here in Blender, we can just make one drag and drop in Unity for the materials. So it's actually a lot easier to take care of that here and now. And so I'll show you how we're going to do that. Basically, we're going to just pick all the objects that we want to be stone. Um, and that's the whole base. And then this front part. I'm just doing this with shift left mouse. Okay, and then coming across this, looks like we'll do 3 sets of windows here to be stone. Okay, so that's all going to be stone. And now you can test if you've got them all selected correctly by just hitting G to move it out of there, and that all looks good. Hit escape, it drops it back. So what I'm going to do now is all these are separate layers over here, and I'm actually going to join these now. And what that's going to do is basically put these in a separate layer. So if I hit join, now it's all one grouping. Escape to drop it. And if you scroll here on the right, you're going to see it's in select layer, select and white. I'm going to double click it, and we're going to rename it. We can just rename this. This is marble or white stone, whatever you want to call it. So I've renamed that marble. And then you want to select all the other parts and make those brick. So I'm going to do something here that allows me to just hide this first. So just go Object, Hide, Selected. So then I can easily select all these others. So I hit B to box select, and if I drag over that, I've got them all selected. G to grab just to verify that, escape. Okay, and this is all going to be brick. So now we're going to just join these. And now you can see here the word join does not show up. So start by left mouse click one object. See how the word join shows up now? Hit B to box select. And now we can join them. I don't know, that's just a little buggy thing in Blender that sometimes it doesn't show up. So now we can join them. And then we're going to come on the right side and find it, find that layer, double click on it, and rename it brick. So now we've got brick and marble. Let's see if I can find marble. Where did marble go? It should be alphabetical. There it is. And I'm going to just unhide that. Okay. So now we've got our brick and our marble layer. Now the one thing we can do too before going to the next step is let's join these. So I'm in the marble layer. I'm going to tab to go into edit mode. All of these are separate planes right now. If we zoom in and we go to the vertex select and hit left mouse and select one, you'll see that these aren't connected. So there's a bunch of duplicate vertices. So I hit A to deselect and then select. And remember, I'm in edit mode here. Now all the vertices are selected, and we just go over here and choose the word merge. And you're going to see when I do that. Sorry, don't choose merge. That would be a bad thing to do. Choose remove doubles. And see, now we removed 144 vertices. And if we come in close here and grab one, you'll see that now it's all merged. So I think this reduces some Z fighting, some issues, maybe even some issues with the dynamic lighting. And so in the end, it's just a better way to build. And you can't do this in Unity. And so now I'm going to tab out, and then I'm going to grab the brick layer and then tab into the brick layer. And then hit A to select the whole brick layer and do the same, remove doubles, remove 269 vertices. All right. So now you're ready to build the porch.